Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Mr. Bond. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. It's great to have you with us again. Today we'll talk about something that all English learners feel sometimes. That little voice inside that says, I'm not as good as them. The feeling of comparing yourself with others.
Yes, today's message is very powerful. Your English journey is unique. Don't compare yourself.
Exactly. You don't need to be perfect or fast. You just need to keep moving forward at your own speed, in your own way.
Before we start, remember to subscribe to our channel and click like. It really helps more people learn English with us.
All right, let's begin our topic, trusting your own English journey.
My English journey is unique.
Beautiful. Let's start.
Imagine you're walking on a long, beautiful road. The sun is shining, and there are people walking beside you. Everyone moves differently. Some walk fast, some slow, and some stop to rest for a while.
Learning English is exactly the same. Some people learn quickly, others take more time, and that's completely okay.
Yes, some days you learn 10 new words, and other days maybe only one. But guess what? Both are good days.
Because every step is progress, even the smallest one.
That's right. Remember this. It's not a race. It's your journey. It's not a race. It's my journey.
Perfect. When you go at your own pace, you feel calm, confident, and happy.
And you actually understand more. You remember things better because your mind isn't stressed.
Sometimes people feel bad and say, I'm too slow or I'm behind. But slow and steady is powerful.
Exactly. Let's do some math.
If you learn just one new word a day in 1 year, that's 365 new words. That's a lot of progress. And if you speak one short sentence every day after a few months, you'll be able to have full conversations.
So never think I'm slow. Think I'm consistent, because consistency beats speed every time.
Yes, because language learning isn't a race to finish, it's a road to enjoy.
So be kind to yourself. Take breaks when you need them, and trust that every small step is bringing you closer to your goal.
Every step is progress. Now, let's talk about comparison, something almost every learner struggles with.
Yes, sometimes we look at others who speak English fluently and think, wow, they're so good. I can't be like that.
But we forget one thing. We only see the result, not the journey.
It's like watching a movie star. You see them shining on screen, but not the hours of practice, the mistakes, or the years they worked to get there.
Exactly. It's like looking at a tall tree. You see the strong trunk and green leaves, but you forget the roots that grew quietly underground for many years.
Beautiful example. Everyone has their own story, their own rhythm. So if someone speaks better than you, it doesn't mean you're not good. It simply means they're in a different part of their journey. I am on my own journey.
Perfect. Comparing too much makes learning stressful and heavy.
And stress makes it hard to speak or remember things. You start to freeze or forget words.
That's right. Instead of saying, they're better than me, say, I'm doing better than I was yesterday.
Yes, you're not in competition with others. You're in cooperation with yourself.
That's a good line, Anna. Cooperation with yourself. I like that.
Thank you. It's true, though. English is not about winning. It's about connecting, learning, and growing.
So focus on your progress, your path, your story. And when you see others doing well, feel inspired, not discouraged.
Exactly. Their success shows what's possible for you, too.
I am growing at my own pace.
Now let's talk about learning styles. Everyone learns differently.
Yes, some people love reading books. Others enjoy listening to songs. Some prefer watching movies or speaking with friends.
And that's the beauty of it. There is no single correct way to learn English. The right way is your way.
If you love watching English dramas, do that. If you enjoy writing a small diary at night, do that.
Or if you like listening to English podcasts while walking or cooking, that's also learning.
Exactly. Find what makes learning fun for you. Because when you enjoy it, you learn faster and remember more.
And don't copy others. Maybe your friend studies for 3 hours every day, but you only have 30 minutes. And that's completely fine.
Because what matters is consistency, not time.
Yes, even 10 minutes a day can make a big difference over time.
Let's imagine if you studied just 10 minutes every day for a year, that's more than 60 hours of English practice.
Wow, that's true. And you don't even feel tired because you're learning in small, happy steps.
So, try many things: reading, listening, writing, speaking, or shadowing. Then, keep what works best for you.
Because when learning feels natural and enjoyable, it becomes a part of your life, not just a task.
I learn in my own way. Let's talk about perfection, a big word for many learners.
Yes, many people say, I'll speak when I'm perfect, but perfection can stop you from speaking at all.
Exactly. You start to think, I must not make mistakes. But mistakes are your teachers.
When a baby learns to walk, they fall many times, but they don't stop. Each fall is a step toward walking.
It's the same with English. Each mistake teaches you something valuable.
So instead of focusing on perfect, focus on progress.
Think of it like climbing a mountain. Each small step takes you higher. If you only look at the top, it feels impossible.
But if you look at how far you've come, you'll feel proud and motivated.
Say this with us. Every small step is progress.
Perfect. Every new word, every new sentence, every time you try, that's real progress.
Celebrate your small wins. Maybe you understood a video without subtitles. That's a win.
Or maybe you introduced yourself in English today. That's another win.
Even when you try and make mistakes, that's progress too. Because you're learning through experience.
So don't wait to be perfect. Speak now. Learn now. Grow now.
And remember, perfection isn't real. Progress is. Let's review what we learned today. 1. Go at your own pace. 2. Don't compare yourself with others. 3. Find what works for you. 4. Focus on progress, not perfection.
That's right. And remember, your English journey is yours. Nobody else has your story, your background, or your style.
My English journey is mine.
Wonderful.
So, next time you feel discouraged or slow, take a deep breath and remind yourself you're still moving forward.
Yes, every little effort counts. Every word you learn, every time you listen, every time you try, you are growing.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like, subscribe, and share this episode.
And we'd love to hear from you in the comments. What small English win did you celebrate this week?
Maybe you learned a new phrase, watched a movie in English, or spoke to someone confidently. Tell us about it.
We love reading your stories because they inspire other learners too.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself.
See you next time on English in Daily Life series. English with Mr. Bond.